Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very delicious spinach lasagna. It tastes so good and this is vegetarian recipe. No egg, nothing is used. So to know how to make this delicious recipe, please follow my video. And if you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. And yes, I made the white sauce at home and I am sharing the recipe of white sauce as well. So let's start with the ingredients. First we will prepare white sauce. For that we need half tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 glass of milk, little bit of salt and black pepper. So take a pan, add butter to it. Once butter is melted, we will add the all-purpose flour and mix them nicely. Once this is little bit cooked, we will add other ingredients. So butter and all-purpose flour are mixed nicely. Now we will add salt to taste and some crushed black pepper. Mix them nicely. Once everything is mixed, we will add milk. So I have taken 1 glass of milk, but we will add 1/4 at this time. Now we will mix everything nicely using hand whisk. We don't want lumps in our sauce, so we are adding a little bit of oil. So now add some more and repeat this process until we get a nice sauce consistency, and you need to make sure there are no lumps. So mix them nicely. So see, this is the consistency we need and our sauce is ready. Once it's cooled down, it will be little bit thicker. So take it out in a bowl to cool it down. And in this I will be adding 1 bay leaf. Now we will see the ingredients for our veggies. Like I have taken a bunch of spinach washed and chopped, 2 jalapenos chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, mixed veggies. I have carrots, beans, corn, peas in it. Then I have taken frozen corns, half white onion chopped and slice of tomatoes. And in this I will be adding cream cheese as well, a slice of cream cheese. So to cook this, take a pan. Once it is hot, we will add butter. Let butter melt and then we will add the veggies, mixed veggies in it. I have taken frozen vegetables. You can use the fresh veggies as well and finely chop them to use. And now in this we will add green chilies. This is optional. This depends upon your spiciness, how much spiciness you want. Now in this we will add jalapenos. Mix them nicely, and we don't want to cook this until it get meshy. We just want to saute them for a minute or so. Now in this we will add onions. We are not going to add tomatoes in it. We will add tomatoes while we assemble our lasagna for baking. Mix it nicely. You can cover it and cook. Now in this I have added salt to taste, corns, mixing it. You can add any veggies of your choice, whatever you like, or you can just make using spinach. No need to add anything else, but I like some different flavors, so I have added different veggies. And now finally I am adding spinach. So lots and lots of spinach. Cover it and cook it for about 1 minute or so. We don't want to cook them much. Mix it nicely, and now in this we will add the cream cheese. And we'll mix it all together nicely. So cream cheese is soft now, and now you need to mix it with all the veggies. Our filling for vegetable layer is ready. So our spinach veggies are ready. Now let them cool down. Now we will assemble our lasagna. For that I have taken a baking pan and I have taken up pasta sheets used for lasagna. These are, we don't need to pre-cook them, we can directly bake them. So first we will add a layer of white sauce. Spread it evenly. Now we will assemble make a layer of pasta sheet. Again add some white sauce over it. Now we will add a layer of veggies. Spread it evenly. Now add some spicy sauce like hot sauce. Add some black pepper. These are optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. Now we will repeat the process. So I haven't added the cheese yet, but I will be adding in the next layer. So pasta sheet, some white sauce. Spread it. Add some veggies. Spread it evenly. We'll add some hot sauce. Now I have shredded mozzarella cheese, so I will be covering this with mozzarella cheese. You can use the cheese sheets as well. Now we will repeat the process and make another layer. And now I am adding the sliced tomatoes. I have added some white sauce over it, some hot sauce, and meanwhile preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Now I'm again adding the sheet. This is the last layer. Some white sauce, and we will cover this with mozzarella cheese, and then we will add some sliced tomato as well. This is so easy and so delicious recipe. You can add tomato sauce as well. You can prepare salsa as well to make it more flavorful. I like this way, so this is one version, but you can always modify it as per your liking. You can add or skip anything you want, or if you want to add any other thing, any other vegetables, you can definitely add that. There is no hard and fast rules. So this is our lasagna, and it's ready to go inside oven. I'm just sprinkling some salt over it. We will bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes our lasagna is done. You can broil this if you want to darken the cheese. I did it for 1 minute. And now once it's cooled down, I'll cut the piece. So I'll show you. It's cooled down, so because of video editing it's like coming quickly but yeah, it's done, and now it's ready to serve. So if you can see the different layers, and this is so delicious, so tasty, must try recipe, and very easy. If you see, like, it's very easy recipe, nothing much to do. So if you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and hit the bell icon to get the new recipe updates. Thank you.